I went from this to this. Let me show you how you can achieve it. So let's begin. This is called Havana Twist in color 900. Now, my first online with extension. It feels kind of soft. This is how it is. So one tie isn't really stringing as much. Feels like it's going to unravel. I think there should be 2 ties. Okay, that feels more secure compared to doing one tie. Let me turn around. No, please, no, no, no. This part here, just like the crochet under braid this closet, drag it out, do your double knots once again, and drag it. If you've seen my other crochet install video, you know this step already. But if you haven't and this is your first time, so what we want to do at the front is go in with small piece and now this is my first time knotting it at the front twice. I'm hoping it's not as obvious. Okay, got it. It isn't. So let's do the same for the others. Okay. Go in, small piece, put it, because this extension doesn't stay with the one tie, you have to knot it twice. So, I'm using a detangling conditioner. And just apply. Be generous, okay? It's your application. to trim this. I'm not just cutting it straight. I'm playing, I'm tweaking. Difference. And still choose to cover up the braided part if you want to, and make it a side part. Like so. It's really versatile. You're not restricted to one particular style. So, hope you like this and hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.